Can you please throw some light on the paper pattern this year? Because chances are there, there are many students may not be knowing the latest paper pattern for
Exactly.
2026 board exams.
Yes, yes. So the whole paper has been divided into three sections. Section A is unseen passages. There are two questions in this section. First question will be of 12 marks and second question will be of 10 marks. Now, the best thing about this is these are all from current affairs and news media productions. So somewhere or here and there, if we have been following the news or anything like that, it will be that much easier for us to deal with those two passages. Though they are unseen but not unknown, we can say like that. Then the next section is section B, that is creative writing skills. In that, we have four questions. So, question number 3, 1 and 2 are comprehensions. Question number 3 is notice writing. Here we have two options in notice writing. So, we can attempt any one based on our liking. Question number 4 will be a question from invitation and a question from reply. Or it can be both the invitations, both the replies, any combination, but then they will be from invitation and reply chapter. So that is again a skill which we need to know as we are becoming more and more social. So we need to know how to invite people such that they feel being invited, and as a courtesy we need to reply to the invitations also. So that is question number 4. Question number 5 will be letter writing. Again, we have two options. First one will be letter to editor, where we express our concerns about the things. And second one will be job application letter, where we will be applying for a job, details which will be provided in the question paper. And the sixth question, that will be a choice between article writing and report writing. So these are the four questions in writing section in section B. I repeat, question number 3, notice writing. Question number 4, invitation and reply. Question number 3, letter to editor or job application letter. And question number 7, article writing or report writing. So this consists of section B. And last, section C is all about textual. That is from NCERT books. We have two books and the questions will be from there. So again, there will be a divide of reference to context questions. That is question number 8, 9 and 10. 7, 8 and 9 will be reference based questions. Then there will be short answer questions, then long answer questions. So this is how the whole paper pattern is divided into three sections.
Well, Rajesh, sir, actually, the Indian education system is such that whatever a child does in those 3 magical hours,
Exactly.
that reflects upon the child and what the child has done throughout the year.
Yes.
So my question to you is, how a child should go about attempting the question paper in order?
Very nice. This is a question for all the children. Now, to put it in this manner, that CBSE has given a logical sequence of section A, B, and C. Like for example, section A is unseen passage. So now when the child comes into the exam hall, he or she is quite fresh. So they can go ahead with section A, where they come across unknown things and they are ready to absorb them. By the time they complete section A, they are already into the zone of English. So that is the time they can attempt section B, that is creative writing. And then when they reach section C, they are a bit tired in a way mentally. But that's the time when they come across the texts which they have already studied. So they don't have to think much about the answers, but then they can focus on answering the questions. So this is the logical sequence CBSE has provided as section A, B, and C. But then CBSE has been lenient enough to give us the choice. We can attempt any section in any manner. We can start with section C, A, B, or any other combination, providing the child feels comfortable in. So there is no fixed rule. It's already up to the child to go by this method, whatever he or she finds comfortable. But as I said before, the logical sequence as provided by CBSE is first section A, then section B, then sections.